Music, the heartbeat of culture. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of music and its role as a form of cultural expression in English-speaking cultures. Music isn't just pleasant to our ears. It's a mirror reflecting the soul of a culture, its history, values, and more. Let's discover how music communicates cultural sentiments and plays an essential role in shaping societies. Music is more than just melodies and rhythms. It's a medium through which communities express their joys, sorrows, aspirations, and revolutions. In English-speaking cultures, songs often narrate stories of love, war, social changes, and even personal experiences. Think of the vibrant blues songs that emerged from the African American communities, expressing their history, pains, and hopes. Or the rebellious spirit of rock and roll in the 60s and 70s, voicing out against established norms. Each musical genre carries with it a slice of history and a message about the community from which it originates. When society undergoes significant changes, music is right there, documenting and, often, amplifying those changes. The folk music movement in America during the 1960s, for instance, was pivotal in supporting the civil rights movement and anti-war sentiments. Musicians became spokespeople for generations, capturing the zeitgeist in their lyrics and tunes. Through music, one can trace the evolution of societal norms, beliefs, and major historical events of English-speaking cultures. While English-speaking cultures have common linguistic ties, they're diverse in many other aspects. Music showcases this diversity beautifully. From the country music of the southern US to the indie rock of the UK, from the traditional sounds of Australia's Indigenous people to the contemporary beats of Canadian artists, there's a vast range to explore. Yet, despite these differences, there's a shared humanity in these tunes. Music, in this sense, is a tool that bridges divides and unites people under common themes and emotions. One of the most magical things about music is its ability to be both personal and universal. A song can speak to an individual's experience while resonating with millions worldwide. Consider ballads that speak of heartbreak or anthems of empowerment. While they might tell a personal story, many listeners across the globe find their own stories in them. This duality allows English-speaking cultures to share, connect, and understand each other on profound levels. As we wrap up, it's evident that music is more than just entertainment in English-speaking cultures. It's a vibrant tapestry, intricately woven with threads of history, emotions, societal shifts, and human experiences. We hope this journey through the world of music has been enlightening, and next time you listen to a song, you might just hear it with a deeper appreciation. Until our next lesson, keep listening, keep learning,